Well,
We're the compost demonstration garden for the City of Vancouver, and we are City Farmer, and our website is cityfarmer.info or cityfarmer.eco.
nice. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
It looks beautiful.
Yeah, so we have 4 pots here that are companies that have taken our green waste and added them into their soil blends.
Oh. A cob shed?
Yes, cob shed.
That is
green
pretty.
roof.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yes, yes. And so with the green roof, it slows down runoff, and then the runoff comes down these chains,
Right.
and into a perforated pipe down below that then recharges the groundwater.
Oh yeah, look at all the succulents on the top. So they don't need that much water, right?
No.
So it's.
Yeah.
So what type of what did they have underneath that? Like.
Oh yeah, there's a membrane on the roof.
Okay, like probably a
Rubber membrane.
Yeah. Oh, that is so neat. I was looking at thinking this is like coons with the real goats on the roof, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I love the building, how they've incorporated. They've put old bottles and shells. Wow, creative. Oh, there's a rock there. Wow, look at that.
Those rocks
What's
are
that
for
for?
defense. It's a counterbalanced.
Oh. Yeah, to open up the gate.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at the gate. Sorry, I'm getting really. Look at that pitchfork. Pretty neat, eh, Krista?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
Are you both from Salt Spring?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
So we have green waste
Yeah.
cans
Yeah.
that everyone puts their compost in.
Right.
Their kitchen scraps,
Yeah.
and any materials that are compostable that have
Yeah.
touched food.
And so their meats would go.
Meats go in as well.
Oh, they do?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I know I have a digester at home.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, and then we do our own composting, so
Yeah.
we don't have the
So this
pickup.
is industrial. This is industrial.
Industrial. This is
composting.
great.
Yeah.
The soil looks really nice. It's really dark.
Yeah.
Wow, it's black. How nice. So then you guys educate, like have little like schools come through.
Oh,
and,
lots of school
yeah,
groups,
totally.
walking groups, yeah,
Yeah.
delegates from other countries.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Did he donate the land?
No,
or-
this is city-owned land.
Oh, it's city.
We have an
Okay.
agreement with the city.
Oh, there's this.
Yeah, we teach worm bin composting
Okay.
for people who don't have any area to
gardens.
do backyard
Yeah.
composting.
Yeah. But yet everybody's able to compost.
Yes.
In their little kitchens and.
Yes.
Yeah, I know. I'm surprised how much compost we make as 2 people.
It's amazing.
Yeah, and I get the best soil.
So this is the oldest part of the garden.
Whoops. So what do? You've got herbs growing here, sage
Yeah,
and.
People get to try stuff through the summer,
Yeah.
and then any leftover produce we donate to the Kitts family place.
Oh, perfect.
No, yes,
Yeah.
West Side family place.
Oh wow. Oh, you have a grapevine too. Oh, that's nice. Oh, look at the rosemary. That's pretty.
We don't. There's too much smoke that comes out. Yeah.
City Farmer. I'll take a picture of that when I go. Okay, we're just gonna. Can we look at the other garden?
Yes, let's go to the.
Oh, I love this little bird house fence. That's creative.
Side that are sort of lime whitewashed with
Right.
a thatch roof.
Yeah.
This is what's underneath the lime wash. And it's just
Okay.
sandstone clay.
Wow. We have girls. I don't know where they're. The mud girls.
Yes,
Have you?
that's
Yeah.
what they do. Cob.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they've been to Salt Spring a couple times building
Okay.
and doing workshops.
Yes.
And yeah.
Yeah, they're a collective sort of throughout the islands, I think.
It's great.
Yeah, they're great.
What this is like. Was that a hornet nest
It was
or something? A wasp nest.
a wasp.
So She's talking about worms now. I'm going to edit this all together. Shed. Wow, what a fancy tool shed. I'd like that as my house.
Yeah.
A little tiny.
It was our office.
Oh. This is
Little buildings like this on Salt Spring.
it's great.
Anyways, there's a farm on the north end, and they have little.
I would have that as your office again.
Yeah, it's pretty cold, I'll tell you.
Yeah, I guess in the winter. Yeah.
And then we have cold frames where you can grow all season long. They're just used skylights
wow.
angled towards the south.
Yeah. That's a great idea.
Yeah.
Wow.
You can pretty much grow greens in there all winter long.
Wow.
Ours are coming out now.
That is wonderful.
That gate over there.
That's our newest gate. And a lot of that is leftover materials from the railway.
Oh, wow. I gotta get a picture of this. Creative.
Yeah. So the
So
metal ones are actually, plastic would be good too. But the metals
Yeah.
are,
They have a drain hole too,
yeah,
I guess.
yeah.
Wow, what a great idea. Yeah, I guess you could even go bigger pots.
You could, yes.
Whichever way.